Hi, I'm Shivansh, serving as legal intern in Lexis Law Company. Today we will discuss the loopholes and the defects in the military judicial system. First is trial during a summary court martial. The trial of offender military workspace is held at the time when a special court is alluded to as the summary court martial. The SCM trial doesn't match with the measures of justice set by the apex court and the high courts because there is no prosecutor. Along these lines, the SCM plays out some of the elements of the prosecutor. Infringement of Article 22 of the Indian Constitution happens when the accused can't defend himself with the help of a legal advisor or protected official. SCM are seriously criticized by the Supreme Court and High Courts for failing in equitable and reasonable sensibility test. Second defect is no right of appeal. There is no arrangement for the convicted to appeal to a higher court. The Military Act expresses that a person who sees himself as grieved by finding or sentence of a court, military may file a request with the central government, the head of the military, or any recommended superior official in charge of the one that confirm the finding of sentences, and accordingly to the central government, the head of military or the other official may pass such requests because of the case could likewise be Section 6164(2) of the Military Act. Thank you, and if there is any doubt, please mention that in the comment section.